Today, I'm going to show you how to install a Buy Me a Coffee button on your Squarespace site. This is a fantastic way to accept donations or tips from your audience directly through your website, making it easy for supporters to contribute to your work. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll need to head over to Buy Me a Coffee to get your embed code. Open your browser and navigate to studio.buymeacoffee.com. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to all the customization options and embed codes you'll need. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Take a look at the left side of the screen where you'll see several menu options. Click on Button and Graphics. This section is where Buy Me a Coffee provides all the different ways you can integrate their donation system into your website or platforms. Now you'll see multiple options to choose from, including website buttons, website widget, stream alerts, and QR code. Each of these serves a different purpose depending on how you want your supporters to interact with your page. For this tutorial, we're going to focus on the website widget option since it provides a nice interactive element for your Squarespace site. Go ahead and click on Website Widget. Next, click Generate to start creating your custom widget. You'll be prompted to write a widget message, which is the text that will appear when someone hovers over or interacts with the widget on your site. This is your chance to personalize the message, maybe something like support my work or buy me a coffee. Once you've written your message, click Generate Widget. The system will then create a unique embed code for you. Click Copy the code and keep it handy, as we'll need it in just a moment. Now it's time to switch over to Squarespace. Open your Squarespace account and click on Website in the main menu. Under that, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Click on it to access your site's page structure and settings. Focus your attention on the left side panel of the screen, scroll down until you find Custom Code and click on it. From there, you'll see an option that says Code Injection. Click on that to open the code injection settings. This is where Squarespace allows you to add custom HTML, CSS, or JavaScript to your site without needing to edit the theme files directly. In the code injection panel, you'll notice two main fields, one for the header and one for the footer. For this integration, find the footer field. This is where we want to place the Buy Me a Coffee widget code, as it ensures the widget loads properly without interfering with other elements on your page. Paste the code you copied earlier into the footer field. Once the code is in place, click Save to apply the changes. That's it. Your Buy Me a Coffee button is now live on your Squarespace site, and visitors can support you with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.